Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I'll show you how to connect VPN in UC browser. Easy and simple step. The first step is open UC browser. Make sure you are already installed on UC browser on your phone and tap the menu, three lines at the bottom. Then the another step is go to setting and look for the VPN or network setting, and you will see the many options, and here you will see the like add settings, here default browser and VPN setting, like other browsing setting or many settings are here, and then click on VPN settings or network setting. If available, turn on. If your VPN is available, turn on the VPN option. And the other step is choose your preferred location, for example like outside countries or others, and your VPN is connected. If you don't see VPN options, UC browser may not support it on your version. You can install a separate VPN and using it. And always use trusted VPN to keep your data safe. And thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.